Alright, you guys, thank you, and welcome back to Find Some Food with Friends. Today I'm just doing an unboxing. One of my best friends from high school just recently went to Italy and sent me a little care package back. So, here we go. So, my friend that went, his name is Joseph, and he is the first gay friend that I've ever had, and he is absolutely amazing. So if y'all know him, shout out to Joey. Miss you, love you, and I'm so excited to see what this is. Okay. He sent me a little leather coin purse. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. Ooh. This is salsa tartufata and crema de a porcini mushroom and white truffle cream and a truffle sauce and a white truffle oil. I really look forward to eating this. Like I said, I've told him before, I will probably sit there and eat the entire thing in one sitting with just a spoon because I'm a fat ass. And then this is what? These look like little cookies. I need an English translation. I'm gonna open this and I'm actually gonna take a taste of this because I want to know what it is. And like I said, anything food related, y'all, I'm a fat ass. I will eat anything without knowing what it is. But then as soon as I find out what it is, yeah, it's probably all over from there. You're actually really good. They're like little whole grain crackers. Okay, so I know what I'm snacking on tonight when I'm watching my movies. So again, I just want to say thank you so much to my friend Joey. Joey, I miss you. I love you. And I can't wait to come visit you up in New York sometime. Alright. Bye, guys.